So we start off our journey right here with the iPhones. In my hand, of course, is the iPhone Pro Max. Two others got released and we will take a look at them, but this really is the one I think that is the most exciting. So first of all, let's start off with the back. 3 cameras at the back. This is the Pro version. 3 cameras at the back, midnight green color. And I'll take you through the 3 cameras first. So there's a wide angle lens, an ultra wide angle lens, a telephoto lens, and you can shoot stills as well as video in all 3 lenses, and you can combine a lot of things and a lot of AI, a lot of artificial intelligence built into that part of it. Then let's move on to the front. Now, whenever Apple comes up with anything new in terms of new technology, they come up with a brand new name of their own. The screen on this is called the Super Retina XDR. Now, it's got, brightness is better, the nits are better, but as always, Apple comes up with a brand new name, but nice looking. Now, do remember, the notch remains, it's not even any smaller, it's just about pretty much the same. There's no in-display fingerprint scanner. That's another bit of a disappointment that has come. But the one thing that everyone was waiting for was battery life. So I am here and very happy to tell you and announce that yes, they've more or less solved that problem. Fast charging is there. The charger is in the box, and even more importantly, on the 11 Pro, 4 hours more than the previous version. 11 Pro Max, 5 hours more battery life, and that I think is a huge thing for Apple fans. So that then are the iPhones. Lots more coming up from here, including the new iPad and the watch.
Apple bids goodbye to Roman letters and names the new iPhones. iPhone 11, the iPhone 11 Pro and the iPhone 11 Pro Max. And since Apple has added the Pro to the names, are they worthy of the Pro tag? The iPhone 11 Pro and Pro Max are literally the same phones with only differences in size, battery and price. Design. The Pro models look strikingly similar to the XS series, except of course the big difference is the triple rear camera lens setup on the back. The phones have a matte finish even though it has a glass design, and the square that houses the cameras is glossy. The Pro models come in 4 colors, and our favorite is the debutante midnight green. The Pros are IP68 certified, making them water and dust resistant. Display. It's super bright. It's better than the XS with Super Retina XDR display with more pixels on board. The iPhone 11 Pro comes with a 5.8-inch display and the Pro Max with 6.5 inches. There is no 3D touch anymore, not that we used it much anyway. Performance. Both the Pro models are powered by Apple's latest A13 BIONIC chipset, which makes these Pros the fastest iPhones ever. The Face ID got upgraded and will be much faster now. Camera. Optics is where it seems like Apple put all its effort into. Triple rear cameras at the back. There is a 12-megapixel main wide lens, which is joined by a 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera with a 120-degree field of view and a 12-megapixel telephoto lens. The redesigned camera interface makes it easy to switch between lenses. It looks like a great and a convenient way to click photos. There is now a night mode too on board to click good shots with less noise and low light. Apple claims to have the best video recording ever seen on a smartphone in the new Pros. All 4 lenses, including the front 12-megapixel true depth camera, can capture 4K video at up to 60 frames per second. A new quick take feature lets you shoot video while capturing photos just by long pressing on the shutter button. This can help you capture moments without having to switch modes like we have seen in Instagram. An improved cinematic video stabilization feature should keep the shake out of any videos you shoot with the new iPhone 11 Pro. Apple says that editing tools once available only for still photos will make their way to video editing with the iPhone 11 Pro. The video fun doesn't stop with the rear camera. The iPhone 11 Pro lets you shoot slow-motion selfies, which Apple calls SLOFIES, and we can't wait to try it. The new iPhones will run on iOS 13, which gets a dark mode, a more private way to sign into apps and websites with Sign In with Apple and all-new Maps experience. The iPhone 11 Pro and the iPhone 11 Pro Max will be available in 64GB, 256GB and 512GB variants and are priced starting at Rs 99,900 and Rs 1,09,900 respectively. They will come to India on the 27th of this month.